How to cash out on DoorDash. Now, cashing out means if you are a DoorDash Dasher, you want to cash out your earnings quickly, it's rather simple to do so. Open up the DoorDash Dasher app. Once you open the Dasher app, you want to make sure to simply log in to your DoorDash Dasher account. So go ahead and then tap on the Let's Dash option, start logging into your account and whatever. Once you log in, go to the Earnings tab from your account. Now you can log in with email and password, by the way, so you can select that. Then you can select Deposit and Transfers from the menu. You can then initiate a cash out with FastPay to transfer your earnings to your linked debit card. Though small fee applies per transaction, this allows you to access your money daily instead of waiting for the weekly payout. This way you'll be able to cash out on DoorDash. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.